Hi all, it's Data Engineers Map. Get ready for technology. Please get your all job alerts from the comment sections, and we have also described the all the information about the hiring alert in the last part of this video. You can continue till last, and you will have that all the descriptions of that hiring alert there. So let's continue on the section. It will be PySpark Basics Chapter 3. The very first topic for session will be PySpark application development. It can be described as the Spark context idea served as the foundation for PySpark application. You can leverage Spark capabilities in your Python code by using an object called a Spark context that represents your connection to a cluster, and your code will be import PySpark spark equals to spark session.builder.appName. Whatever the name you want to provide, you can pass here, or then dot master, then local, then dot config spark.driver.memory, and then get or create. Another is PySpark advanced features. So whatever the advanced features present in PySpark, those we will be discussing. The very first is Spark streaming. Real-time streaming data processing is made possible by Apache Spark Streaming, a potent processing engine. Uh, developers may create a fault-tolerant, scalable, and fast processing streaming applications with Spark streaming. Developers may apply well-known batch processing functions such map, reduce, and join to stream data thanks to Spark Streaming's high-level API. And another PySpark advanced feature is graphics, which is a distributed graph processing platform. It is based on Apache Spark only. In order to facilitate the development and scalability graph algorithms, it offers a uniform API for graph computation and storage. PageRank, connected component, and label propagation are just a few of the many graph algorithms supported by GraphX, which also offers an optimized runtime that can handle network with billions of vertex and edges. The another advanced features which PySpark have is machine learning libraries. MLlib is an Apache Spark-based toolkit that offers a potent collection of machine learning tools and algorithms for creating scalable and distributed machine learning applications. With MLlib, developers can build end-to-end machine learning pipelines that can process massive amount of data in a distributed and scalable manner. MLlib is widely used in various industries for solving complex machine learning problems at scale. Yeah, that's all for that session. Want to be keeping these sessions short only so that it will be easy to grab. Now we are at the point of hiring alert, and the profile we have is associate solution engineer. The experience they are looking for is early in career only, so you can expect less than 1.5. And eligibility they have uh, means they have provided opportunity to most of the people who are graduated or going to be graduate, or even are certified from a technical boot camp or data type of certification, technical certification. So those are also eligible. Skills they are looking for only networking and computing, and the expected uh, salary So they have not listed this in their posting, but on the internet search we can found that it is varying from this 58,000 to 131,000 dollar per year. Go ahead and grab the link from the comment and do apply for that. So in the end, thank you. Do check our channel. Thank you.